Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be looking at this TEKCAM carrying case I bought for our action camera. Our AKASO Brave action camera comes with a lot of accessories, and if you buy the accessory kit or anything else there, you got to carry that around, so it'd be best to put it in a case so it don't get damaged. And here's a little camera, and it comes with a bunch of accessories. Kind of a cute little guy, isn't he? Okay, let's open up the pack and see what's inside here. It's supposed to be the large version, so let's see. Comes with zippers. You unzip it. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I see, it's got a pouch. I don't know what that's for yet, but we can use it for something. And I see it's got like a little place for all your wires and connectors, and maybe a mount or two up here. Plus it's made of foam, and you can pull out some of the bits and pieces here, the cutouts. I don't know if you can see that, but it has cutouts in there that you can make fit your camera. Yeah, and it's a hard case. I mean, it's not hard, but it's pretty rigid, which is nice because it won't get damaged, your camera. All right, let's see what we can do here. Maybe we can put the camera in one of these sections here. Well, let me get a little knife maybe and pop some of these out and see if the camera fits. Yeah, it looks like these just pop out here for the camera. Yep, all right. They're like got foam on them, and kind of a smooth surface here, but foam on the back, and they're really thick and soft. Now that looks like the camera just fits in there. Now our camera here, the AKASO Brave 7, I don't know if you remember, but we made a camera mount for that, for the close-up macro lens and everything. So I'm going to leave this on here, see if it'll fit in there. So we'll put the camera in here, in the case, and see how it works. We'll close it up, and there it is. It's in the case. Now it looks like this should fit upside down here, face down on the soft bottom, and it does. Fits right in there with the mount, with the little mount, so that works good. So we can lay that in there like that. That seems good. Now let's see what else we can put in there. Yeah, I wonder if the spare battery will fit in here. Let's see if we can get this one out. There you go. Let's see if it fits. Oh yeah, it goes in there. And it's in there. It's not going anywhere. And you can pull it out. That worked out good. Okay. Yeah. Alright. And I think, if you think about it, I think this is for the SD card. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Yeah, I have a 512 gigabyte SD card here, and it has the adapter there. Let's put that in there and see if it fits in the slot. Yeah, it fits right in there. Nice. Okay, and it looks like you got two other battery holders here if you got extras, but I only have two, so I got one in the camera and one right there. That's good. Yeah, I wonder if you can put the charger in one of these slots. Let's see. Let's see if it fits. Here's the charger. See if we can put it in there. It does fit. There you go. That's nice. And you can get it out pretty easy. So yeah, it's rigid foam up top and kind of soft foam underneath, so it works out pretty good. Yeah, this looks like it's set up for 2 cameras. You can put another camera in over here if you want. See right there? Or a different style of camera. It seems to fit real good, you know. So let me put this back. So I don't think I'm going to use that. I think I'm just going to take this whole section out and use it for all my accessories that I have, you know. Yeah, I think I'm going to just go ahead and take this whole section out over here. And it looks like you can, you know, put your tripod or whatever you want right in there, just like that. And if you had other stuff like, you know, the mounting clips for the camera, looks like you can put those in there too. So that's good. Now this AKASO Brave comes with a lot of hardware, so you can mount it to like bicycle grips, handles, anything you want. Now you can just throw them in there. I think they'll all fit. You ought to see the hardware. I mean, you got a bunch of hardware here. Look at all that. You can just kind of drop it in there. Hopefully it's big enough for all this, but now if you had other mounts or whatever, you can keep this stuff separate. You can just drop them all in there if you want to. You know, it fits. Now you got a head mount. I guess this straps to your head like a camera mount would. Yeah, that's what it's for. Put it right over your head. Yeah, that'll go in there too. You can put that right in there and it will close. Yep. So you can put a lot in this little case. It's starting to work out pretty good for me. Now if you guys saw my other video on the AKASO Brave macro lens bracket that we made, here's the macro lens and wide angle with the clip. Now it comes in a little pouch, so it fits right on the camera. Here, let me show you real quick. We'll put this on the clip, the little holder, and what that does, it fits on your AKASO Brave 7 action camera. Fits right on there like this, and that's it. And you can take the lens off, and there you have it. Now you can do macro shots, wide angle, and you just, it's pretty neat. I mean, it comes in handy, this thing. So it's really neat. Can't beat it, and it comes right off. And you can put it away real easily, and I wonder if this will fit in this case, so I don't have to have an extra case laying around. Let's check it out. Okay, let's put our camera in there. And now we have this case, right? So we can put it in the case, help protect it, just like that, in the little case that it comes with. And let's pop this out. Here we go, we got him. I wonder if this will actually fit in here. I think it will. Put it over this side if you want, or this side. Let's see. Let's close it up. Yep, fits no problem. Imagine that. I got my lens with me right here, and we can use this spot for something else. Yeah, it looks like up here in this like little web section, you can put like your head strap in there if you want, your cleaning supplies, anything you want, and even your charging cables. You can put them in there and everything closes. Nice. And zips right up. There you go. You can't beat that right there. It's got a nice little carrying handle. right here. Nice strap. Yep, everything's good. Let's unzip it. It's easy to unzip and get right to all your stuff. Everything's right there. That's pretty neat. I guess you could put this like in a little baggie, you know, like a little Ziploc bag, so keep everything together if you want to do it that way. But this seems to be working really good. This is a pretty neat carrying case. I thought it wouldn't be big enough, but it actually is doing a pretty good job. You know, I got my tripod in there, and I got, you know, the little clip for, you know, mounting the camera on things. And you got your handlebar mounts, 2 of them, and all the different little brackets and accessories that you can change the angle of your camera on your mounts. That's pretty neat. You know, there is some more space here, and I could add some more things. Yeah. Alright, this is a pretty good carrying case. Yep, I thought you'd like to see that. From TEKCAM. Really neat. Yeah, this is supposed to fit the GoPro, Hero, all kinds of models. The AKASO Brave, AKASO Brave 7. Pretty much a lot of cameras will fit in here. Read the description. I think I put all the info there. And I will put a link to this product down here. It's a pretty good deal. I think you're going to like it. I know I'm going to use it. Now I got to figure out what happened to the mouse again. Yeah, it's underneath somewhere here. That sounds normal.